Hi! In front of me is UleFone Armor 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Intelligent Assistance. Now tap on App Clone over here and click on the switcher next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone, in my case WhatsApp. Now wait a couple of seconds, and when I go back, as you can see, WhatsApp app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your cloned app, go into the same settings and click on the same Now blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!